Okay, guys, welcome to CHASER'S Tech Academy. So today we are talking about how to design business card in a very simple way. Okay, it's very easy. This app has already done it for you. So what you just need to do is just to edit their templates. Okay, you can see here these are free templates, and if you look here now, you can see the pro version of this. They also have their pro versions. Okay, they have pro versions. Okay, but you don't need to pay because there are many good templates that you can actually use to create for your clients. Okay, just choose one and start work immediately. So I want to show you how to edit it. So here we are. So once you want to edit, what you need to do is just click on the ones you want to edit on. You want to edit your mobile number now. You want to edit, you just click on this edit icon. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Click on this edit icon. If you want to delete, you click on here. Okay, if you want to like change the text, okay, you can also see here, you can actually change the text font, like the font style, the size of it, the color of what you are doing. Okay, so let's say you want to edit this now. Let me put a random number. I'm going to put a random number here. Okay, then you click on apply. You can see what you already have been applied. So let me say you want to edit the back side of this. Want to edit the back side. What you need to do, you can see what you need to do is to come here, click on here. Sorry, let me use this. You can come here, you see back side. So you have to click on it. Once you click on the back side, it's going to take you to the back of the template. So you can also edit. See, I've clicked on the back side and it has bring it to here. So what you need to do, once you're here on the back side, just click on the text, then edit and put your tagline. Let me say, okay, then click on apply. Once you click on apply, you can see our text is already. Then edit your timeline. You edit your tagline. So what you need to do, just put your slogan. Tagline actually means your slogan. Put the slogan of your company or the company of your client that you're designing for. Let me just put something random here. Click on apply. You can see it. Okay, once you are done, let me say this CHASER'S tech, I want to change the font style. I have to come here, click on here, like I showed you earlier. I click on here. So once you click on it, you can see some pro text that you cannot use for free. Just look for, okay, let me click on this. So I don't like this one. Let me click on here. Yeah, if you want to actually make it small, you want to make it big, depending on what you want to do. Okay, the size of what you want to do, or you can come here, you can see size at the back by the side of here also. So just, it's also easy for you to use this app. Let's also change the, okay, you can see. So once you are done designing at the back, you have to click here again. You can see front side. You click back again. You can come to the front and do whatever you want to do. Once, if you want to import your logo or an image, what you need to do is come onto here, come here, click on images. Or if you want to use their already made logos, you can come here and click on logos. If you want to import shapes, you can come here and click on shapes. If you want to import icons, see. So everything is already done for you here, okay? So let me say you want to use any of their logo. You don't want to use this particular logo. So you want to click on logos and choose the one you want. No, I'm not choosing. I think I click on image. So I don't feel like importing any image here. Okay, so let's go back. So we are back here. So that's just it. So once you finish designing what you want to do, the next thing you need to do is to save your work. Or if you don't want to save it, you can download it immediately to your gallery. So you see, you click here now. Let me show you. You click here, this is for download, so you can show in your phone gallery or you can save it. If you come back to the app, you are going to use it again, okay? Or can, if you have not, let me say you want to save for saving purpose, maybe you are not done with the design, you have to save it so that by the time you come back to the app you can continue from where you stopped, and that's just it. Okay, so let me say you want to save this particular one. Now I'll click on download. They ask me whether I want to download the front side and the back side, so I will click on download front side first. You see, you say allow. Okay, they're asking me. Okay, once you've, so the front side I've downloaded already, so let's click on download back side. But we are going to go and check it out on my, yeah, you see download complete. Okay, so let's go to my gallery here. Here now that, okay, you can see the back side, you can see the front side of what we download. It's also easy for you to do this. And the app that we use, okay, before we continue, if you know you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it to subscribe, like the video, and also comment. The app that we use to design this is called Business Card Maker. You can download it from your Play Store. So let me go and show you the app on the Play Store. So this is the business card maker. So once you come onto Play Store, it's going to be telling you here that is showing me open, it's going to be telling you install. So all you need to just to install, it's just 12 MB app, and it's also easy. I can be using this app to be making money on a daily basis, okay? And that's just it. So if you know you got value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment on this video. Thank you.